Hey, what's up guys? Today we are making Chiles Toreados. Chiles Toreados is a Mexican side dish of blistered chili peppers. They're really easy to make and they're absolutely delicious. One of my favorites. I've been in love with this recipe for years. But interestingly, this is also the dish that made me realize that Patty was a true chili head. So, all right, let's do this. First things first, we need to get our peppers all set up. We're making blistered peppers. In most Mexican restaurants, you're gonna find jalapenos used to make Chiles Toreados. But you can also use serrano peppers. So here I have a number of jalapenos and serranos. Serranos are gonna be great for this as well because they're extra spicy. Jalapenos run around 5,000 Scoville heat units, and these are right around 30 to 50,000. So extra heat, extra tastiness, and it's fantastic. And also in some restaurants, a lot of them will make these whole. You can either throw them into a fryer whole or cook them up in a pan whole. But I like to slice them in half because we're gonna get extra char and extra blistering on the inside and out. So I'll slice these in half like so. So you can see, like, when you cook them, you'll get on the outside and on the inside extra blistering. All right, so I'm gonna slice these all in half, and then we will get our blistering station set up. All right, I've got my station all set up here. So the next step you're gonna do is get a good cast iron pan, heat it up to a good medium high or even high heat, because you wanna get a good sear on this. And we're gonna add some oil. I've got a couple tablespoons of oil that I will add. And you can definitely add more if you want to. Some restaurants, as mentioned, will make these more deep fried and get a real solid sear blistering on the peppers. But I actually like it on a hot cast iron pan or a griddle top, very hot, so you get really good charring of that skin. All right, while this oil's heating up, let me tell you the story about this. Patty and I used to go to this amazing taqueria before we moved, and we went there so much, as soon as they saw me walking in the door, they would instantly throw these on the grill and have them ready for, boom. I just knew I loved it. But Patty used to steal a little bit here and there, but I knew that she was a true chili head the day that she finally ordered her own. And I was like, oh, Patty has arrived.
Oh yeah, you know it.
I love it, yes. Good job, Patty. All right, so this oil is getting nice and hot here, nice and hot, so let's get cooking. Just go ahead and add your peppers into the hot oil here. You're gonna hear the sizzle. A lot of blistering going on right in there. Just don't splatter any oil on yourself. All right, you'll wanna move them around in the pan a little bit just to make sure you're getting some good even charring. Really depends on the pan, and your cooking time is really going to depend on how hot your pan is. So just gotta keep checking on them. And some of the serranos will cook a little faster because they're smaller, and you can remove them if needed, or just get extra char on them. But yeah, look at it, already starting to blister up. All right, let's go ahead and flip these over. Let them start to get blistered and charred. You can look at all that bit of blistering going on the skin. Got some good color going. And really at this point, you can keep cooking them to your preference. Get them as softened up as you want, as dark in color. But you can see, looking at these are looking real good. So some restaurants also include onions with theirs. So I'm gonna add about a half of a small onion. But you're making it at home, so it's your choice. Then you're only gonna cook the onion for about a minute or so. And as mentioned, you can make this with other peppers. It really works with any kind of a pepper. Shishitos are super popular, obviously. But when I make them at home, I like jalapenos and serranos, but I also sometimes like to throw a couple of habaneros in there, and a little bit of that heat permeates the whole dish. All right, this is looking good. So your next step here is to go ahead and turn off the heat. Let this cool just a little bit. And we're gonna finish it off with some fresh lime juice. Love a citrus blast. A little bit of salt. Salt to taste. And this is one extra ingredient that I like to add. I've seen it in other recipes as well, but I like a splash of soy sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this. Gives a little umami blast to the whole dish. Definitely optional, but I do suggest it. Do it, my friends. Yes, look at this. So let's talk about serving really quick. Chiles Toreados is really meant to be a side dish. It's perfect for any Mexican dishes that you're going to be making at home. You can just take a little bite, take a taco bite, and take a little bite of your hot jalapeno. Yummy, delicious. You can also use it as toppings for things like sandwiches, but really, it's an outstanding side dish. So, all right, I can't wait. Let's give it a taste. Oh, seriously. Seriously, it's like handy to me. So good. That's it, my friends. Chiles Toreados. A nice and easy recipe today, but easy but fabulous, right? I just love this recipe. So, hey, if you're looking for more fabulous recipes, you know what to do. There they are right there popping up. So, hey, I'd love to hear what you think of the recipe in the comments below. And I definitely hope to see you in the kitchen next time. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Bye.